So last video we have seen about the course structure and the learning outcome, and in this video we will see now let's understand what is AI. So artificial intelligence simply means making machines to think, learn and act like humans. So how AI actually works? So AI works in 3 steps. First, we collect data like images of fruits. Next, we train a model using algorithms. Finally, that model can predict or classify new results. For example, correctly labeling an image of an apple or a banana. So you have already experienced AI in your everyday life. So voice assistants like Alexa or Siri, Google Photos for image recognition, fraud detection in banking, product recommendations in e-commerce, and even disease prediction in healthcare. So this was all about what is AI, and in next topic we would be looking forward into introduction to AWS and cloud computing. So thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video and subscribe to this channel and leave a comment below. Thank you. So last video we have seen about what is AI, and in this video so connect AI with the cloud. AWS or Amazon Web Services provides powerful tools that make AI accessible, scalable and affordable, all through cloud computing. So how websites work? First let's understand that. When you open a website, your device called the client connects over a network server. The server processes your request and sends back the data you need to see the web page. So, and what is a server composed of? A server has multiple components: compute power through CPU and memory, storage for data, and a network layer including routers and DNS. Together they make cloud services function smoothly. So what is IT? In IT terminology, in simple terms, a network is a group of connected computers. A router directs data packets to their correct destinations, and a switch ensures those packets reach the right client or server within the network. So problem with traditional IT approach is traditional IT setups are expensive and slow to scale. You pay for the hardware, power and maintenance, and expanding or replacing equipment takes time, plus handling disasters or downtime is a major challenge. So in next topic we will be looking at what is cloud computing, what is the different types of cloud computing, and then we would also do a hands-on, and yes, thank you very much. So in last video we have seen about the traditional IT approach and the problem with traditional IT approach, and now we would be looking at now what is cloud computing and how it solves the issue. So cloud computing solves all the issues. It's like an on-demand delivery of computing resources like servers, databases and applications, all through the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. AWS manages the infrastructure while you simply use what you need. The cloud is built on 5 key characteristics that would talk on the next one. So the 5 key characteristics are: cloud computing offers speed, scalability and cost effectiveness. You pay only for what you use, scale up or down instantly, and access resources globally without managing any data centers for yourself. Here are the 6 big benefits of using the cloud: lower cost, massive economies of scale, accurate capacity management, and higher speed and agility. So in next video we would be looking at how to create an AWS account, and we would see step-by-step procedure for the same. And thank you for watching this video. Like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. Thank you. So in last video we have seen what is cloud computing. So in this video we would be looking at types of cloud computing. I would just take 2 minutes and then we would hop on to the hands-on. There are 3 main cloud service models: IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service for flexible hardware management; PaaS, that is platform as a service, where you focus on app deployment, and SaaS, software as a service, where the provider manages everything for you. So problem solved by the cloud. Flexibility is the cloud brings flexibility, scalability, high availability, and fault tolerance. It's cost effective, agile, and designed to grow with your needs, making it the foundation of today's AI powered world. So next topic, we would be covering about creating an AWS account, and we would give a console tour. And yes, thank you for watching this video. Like this video, share this video, and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.